Ideapad Flex 5-core i5 13th Gen. Unity System Solutions. Lightning-fast processing with rock-like stability. The latest 13th Gen Intel Core i5-1335U that delivers up to 4.6 GHz frequency with a 12 MB cache. This high-performing processor helps to process any applications with ease. So people who use photo editing and heavy software and require powerful chipsets, this laptop can be the best option for them. This professional Lenovo laptop comes with dual-channel LPDDR4x16GB 4266 MHz soldered memory. It has a respectable 1TB M.2 2242 PCIe 4.0 x4 NVMe SSD. The NVMe SSD delivers the highest throughput and fastest response times for all types of enterprise workloads. This particular model of Lenovo Ideapad Flex 5i has integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics, which is one of the world's most powerful graphics for notebooks. It is a mighty giant leap compared to previous generations' Intel integrated GPUs. For light gaming and content creation, this GPU is more than enough. Touchscreen laptop comes with a stunning 14.0-inch WUXGA 1920x1200 IPS touchscreen display, 300 nits brightness, TOV low blue light and 10-point multi-touch. This stunning display provides a fuller viewing angle, a wider color range, and much faster refresh rates. This remarkable display makes it perfect for content creators, graphic designers, and anyone who values stunning visuals in their work or entertainment. Real flexibility, real freedom. Engineered to fold 360 degrees from laptop to tablet, the Ideapad Flex 5-14 Intel gives you the flexibility to use it in different modes to best suit your needs. Keyboard type backlit, English, EU. Privacy at your fingertips. Today's world is not a simple place, but that doesn't mean we can't build a simple solution to a complex problem. The optional fingerprint reader for a speedy and secure way to log in. The full HD 1080p with privacy shutter webcam is ideal for video conference and online classes. This laptop comes with premium stereo speakers, 2 WUXGA, optimized with Dolby audio system, that provides a stunning audio experience. For long-term backup, it has an integrated 52.5 watt-hours battery. You can enjoy your outdoor work or movie time without worrying about plugging the laptop into power. For better wireless connectivity, it has the latest Wi-Fi 6, 11AX 2x2 and Bluetooth 5.1 wireless card. The Wi-Fi 6, 11AX 2x2 provides faster wireless speeds and lower latency. A trusted platform module, TPM, that provides security against threats like firmware and ransomware attacks. Weighing at only 1.5 kilograms, this is an ultra-lightweight laptop. This makes it very portable and easy to carry around. The genuine Windows 11 Home is preloaded on this laptop. This laptop is visually eye-pleasing. Box content includes Lenovo Ideapad Flex 5i 13th Gen Core i5 touchscreen laptop, Lenovo digital pen, power adapter and user manuals. Weight starting at 1.5 kilograms, 3.31 pounds. Body material aluminium stamping, anodized with sandblasting. Aluminium, top, PC ABS plus 40% GF, bottom.